As with arcs, there are many different ways of drawing circles in AutoCAD as well. Now we've got the outer edge of our gasket. We're going to utilize where these yellow dashed lines intersect now to place some circles on the drawing to show holes through the gasket. Now, first thing we need though is a large central hole in the gasket. We're going to utilize our object snaps and our object snap tracking. So make sure they are switched on down on the status bar. There's object snap, make sure it's on. There's object snap tracking, make sure it's on. As you can see, mine isn't on there, so I click and it's on. It tells you it's on the status bar and on the command line as well, just there, object snap tracking on. Now, we need our midpoint snap for our object snap, so we right click over object snap, make sure that midpoint is on. You can also use your settings here to switch it on in your running object snaps as well, so make sure it's on. Okay, let's go to the circle command, 2D drafting and annotation workspace, home tab on the ribbon, and there's the circle command on the draw panel right there. Click on the flyout next to it, and you will see that there are a number of different types of circles. We're going to use the first two, center radius and center diameter. We're going to use center diameter first. This creates a circle using a center point and a given diameter. So we click and come into the drawing area, and we're prompted for the center point of our circle. Move up here. When the midpoint snap appears, you hover over it. Do not click on it. You're using your object snap tracking. As you move away, you'll see a little green cross appear there. That's our object snap tracking point. Let's hover over this midpoint here. Again, just hover for a couple of seconds, and as you move away, can you see there's a cross there as well? And as I track along the object snap tracking line, they intersect like that. You can see the two midpoints highlighted and the two lines intersecting. So what I do is I left click, and as you can see now, there's my circle. And what I do there is type in a distance of 200, like so, and that's my diameter, remember, not my radius. I press enter, and there's my circle with a 200 diameter. Now we need to place some other circles on the drawing. We're going to place one circle first of all. So let's place that one circle right here, top left, and we're going to utilize these two lines here now. So we'll use our snaps again to place the circle. Now we're not going to press enter or spacebar to repeat this time because we need a different type of circle. So we go up to the home tab again, click on the flyout here, we want center radius. And as we come here, can you see the endpoint snap highlight? That's going to be our center, so we left click, and as we drag the mouse this time, it's prompting us for a radius. Now the radius there is going to be 50, so you type 50 in the distance box and press enter. So there's our two holes in our gasket. So we've got an outer hole here with a radius of 50 and a central hole here with a diameter of 200. So that's how you use your circle command in AutoCAD.